I have an intimate knowledge of those allegations. Actually, they surfaced in 2021 in November. And those people who were part of it were very uncomfortable about it, because the challenges that they had is that they were made to do things which they know is wrong, because some of them were officers of the court, were lawyers.
Can you give us a picture as to just what it is that the judge received from Sandlana? What is being alleged here? How much did it cost to buy her?
She received a lot of money. She received money. There were a lot of boxes of cash which was given to the judge by the middle person, whom I cannot name, who has fortunately, given the police the information. She was bought a house in Hartebees. The security that protects her is paid by Sandlana, and has always been paid by Sandlana for the past 3 years. In as far as the faction that I was in is concerned,
The
Sandlana faction, that was simply a criminal enterprise. Guns are normalized. When you walk, it's guns everywhere. You are searched. Hits were discussed there. Crimes were discussed there, planned inside the church. Meanwhile, he's sitting in the holy chair.
The ENCA did that story last night, whereby they claimed that disgraced International Pentecostal Holiness Church leader Michael Sandlana has been described as a dangerous man after an anonymous whistleblower has alleged that Sandlana is willing to kill in order to retain power. Sandlana faces corruption and money laundering charges for allegedly bribing High Court Judge Portia Phahlana to rule in his favor in civil matters. Now, the whistleblower says the faction Sandlana leads that is not a religious organization but a criminal enterprise. Sandlana Vusindala Phahlane and her son Kariso appeared at the Specialized Commercial Crimes Court in Pretoria in November. Now, this was after Phahlane was accused by a faction of the IPC Church that she had received bribes to come to the Jerusalem's faction's favor in court decisions. Investigations revealed a paper trail of money amounting to millions of rand was allegedly exchanged between Phahlane and Sandlana. Phahlane was placed on special leave by Chief Justice Mandisa Maya. Now, Maya said the decision was taken to safeguard the integrity of the judiciary. A process to suspend her is underway. The church was founded in 1962 by former ZCC Minister Frederick S. Modise. Now, after his death in 1998, his son, Clayton M. Modise, took over. The younger Modise died in 2016, resulting in a succession battle between his sons Leonard and Tshepiso. Now, after a 7-year battle, the brothers eventually abandoned their claims to leadership in 2023. The church came under Sandlana's leadership, who also claimed to be Modise's biological son, who's been challenged by the brothers and other factions in the church. Well, there you have it, you guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section down below. Also, of course, like this video. Do make sure that you do share it. Subscribe if you haven't yet done so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking on this one and deciding on watching it. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.